Hello, my name is Kathy and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you 4 tips regarding aliases in your current PowerShell session. Tip number 1 is that you can get an overview over all the aliases available in this session by typing dir space alias colon and then hit enter. Tip number 2 is that you can get an overview of how many aliases that is available in this session by typing parentheses dir space alias colon parentheses dot count and then hit enter. Often there are several aliases for the same commandlet. Tip number 3 is to get an overview over all the aliases connected to the same commandlet by typing dir space alias colon space pipe space group dash object space definition space pipe space sort dash object space count space dash descending, and then we hit enter. Tip number 4 is to get an overview of how many commandlets in your current session that has aliases by typing parentheses dir space alias colon space pipe space group dash object space definition space pipe space sort dash object space count space dash descending parentheses dot count and then hit enter. In this video I have showed you 4 tips regarding aliases in your current PowerShell session. Thank you for watching my video and remember to subscribe.